Very nice. Okay, let's take this one and we'll break it down step by step. So if you put your left hand on C and your right hand on E, and these are it's chopsticks because it's just two fingers. These are your chopsticks, and we'll play that. Step down, step down, step down. Do it twice more. And then up, down, down. Twice more. Up, down, down. Twice more. Again, second time, same thing. Step down, step down, step down. Twice more. Up, down, down. Twice more. Up, down, down. Twice more. Some people will be able to get it just by watching that. Now, if that's a little too fast for you, let's go ahead and try to break that down. The step downs part, step down, step down, step down is one section, and then the twice more up, down, down, twice more up, down, down, twice more is the second half of that. The step down, step down, step down happens 3 times, and you end up on the E and the G. So let's try that again. Step down, step down, step down. That's very easy. Take those same notes and start the twice more section. It'll go twice more up, down, down, twice more up, down, down, twice more. So there's 3 step downs, 3 twice mores. Hopefully that helps. Let's go ahead and talk about how to make that very nice. The accent goes on step down, step down, step down. So make sure to put the accent on the down. Step down, step down, step down. Twice more up, down, down. Twice more up, down, down, and stop. That's it for part 2. Let's go ahead and get into the next section.